612, Easyhot, J11, Purehue, P01. Let's get into it. So first of all, in the system index, we've put Purehue at the very start. It's chronologically 41, and dependency order is number 1. We've also added these little things, these little categories. So 0 dependency systems, and then everything else is down here. Okay, so in const macros by system, we've added a Purehue section, a little diagram kind of explaining how we got to 1,530 unique Purehues, and some other math we're explaining down here. And so the capacity for hue, saturation, and lum is going to be 1530 values, 256 values, and 511 values. An explanation of how we got 511 unique values for luminosity. Okay, let's go down to the next section here. So in data by system, we have a HSL struct and a RGB struct with some very cryptic names. But the reason I chose these names is because I want all of my math to be fence post perfect, and by encoding the capacity of the different values in the variable names themselves, it'll make sure that my math is fence post perfect. We're going to seal these objects so we can't do any bullshit with them, and then we're going to go down to the next section. So in the Purehue function section, we have a RGB to HSL conversion that takes an input RGB and an output HSL. They should be equal to our top level static allocations here. We'll throw an error here because the code isn't done. Then we have Purehue HSL converted to RGB, input HSL, output RGB parameter, and these inputs and outputs should be equal to the static allocations that we created at the top of the file. And the error is here because we haven't done anything yet, right? Okay, so down here is what we did previously, and then we have a whole bunch of footnotes and stuff, and then we have what we did in this video. Now, if you want a crackpot color theory lesson, you can go to this playlist on Ninja Coder and also look for video 612. There are 3 video 612s, and you are on the fast 612 on the Kanji Coder channel. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me are over here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I am working on Atomic Ivy MMO, a game engine created from complete scratch in vanilla JavaScript, written in C99 style using data-oriented design principles. There's proximity mines, there's laser boxes, there's box bombs, there's spark fins, there's all sorts of crazy stuff. Like and subscribe if you want to see how a madman makes a fucking engine.